Hi guys, in today's video we're going to be taking a look at a painted up SDEX Sazabi. But first of all, I want to say a huge thank you to ilovegunpla.co.uk. You'll find a link in the description box and in the comments box down below for I Love Gunpla, where you can get your own Sazabi SDEX I was going to say miniature then, but it's not a miniature, Gunpla model. That's how many much miniatures I paint, guys. So yes, this SDEX Sazabi has been painted up and I've really enjoyed this thoroughly. It's been many years since I've painted up a Gunpla kit, and I really enjoyed this. I put it on a really nice base from Unreal War Games. Painted it with the airbrush, added some sort of colour transitions from dark red to a lighter red. Then we went in and added some chipping and some dust and that sort of thing, but nothing overcomplicated, just a really quick, simple paint job on this very cool, super deformed Gundam. Now, I was painting this up for a tutorial, but unfortunately, about quarter way through, I just wasn't feeling it. Not feeling the tutorial in the sense that I didn't want to do it. I was just, the way I went about painting it, I was just overcomplicating things, and I didn't want that to show up in the video. So the good news is I've got 3 other SDEX Gundam kits. I've got a Unicorn, a Sinanju, and an RX-78, the granddaddy of them all. If you leave a comment down below and let me know which one you prefer a tutorial on, we'll get that done for you guys. But as of this Sazabi, I think it's turned out really well, and I'm so happy to be back in the Gunpla hobby after I don't know, 4 or 5 years away. I'm not too sure, but it's been a while. So let me know what you think of the Sazabi. Are you a fan of me painting it up in the wargaming style, which you probably don't see very often for Gundam kits, putting it on a nice wargaming base, that sort of thing? Let me know in the comments field down below, and don't forget to let me know what you'd like to see a tutorial on as well. So lastly, once again, huge thank you to ilovegunpla.co.uk, and thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I'll catch you in the next one.